poppin', y'all? It's your boy Mary Edits, back at it with another one. Today we're going to be talking about our NFT, how it went from 0 to 300 holders. Let's go ahead and pop that open for you guys so we can go ahead and check it out. We've been doing tons of marketing on Twitter, OpenSea, just figuring things out. This is our other collection. We'll talk about that momentarily. So we did everything on Ethereum and Polygon for multiple editions. Okay, so here we are. 307 holders, 42 items, 002 floors, 03. You know what I'm saying? We made some movement, we're doing our thing, we're figuring it out. So essentially, what we did is you actually have to go on mobile. They got this thing called Twitter Spaces. And let's see if we can get something to pop up at least. And so, they have these little areas. Comment bless you. You feel me? I deserve it. So they got these little Twitter spaces, right? You go on Twitter, you hit the little icon that's going to be right here at the bottom on Twitter. You can start listening to people talking about NFT chats, NFT photography, whatever niche you guys are in. Really get some information on how to promote, and you can kind of talk to them and other creators on what they're doing. Really get some insight on the project. Another thing I recommend doing is, definitely have your socials linked up in here so you're able to verify that you're an owner. They can hit you up, say what's up. Definitely have a pinned tweet saying what you're about, get things going. And, we collab with some people. Over here, we did some projects, helping out, being a part of some other things. Just being impactful, helping movements that are similar to you. You know what I'm saying? Look, Master Builders, you know what's up. Shout out to Master Builders. They be doing it big. Shouting out all the team, helping everybody learn. You know what I'm saying? Free Slice Friday. Shout out Jerem Deezy. You know the movement. We out here doing it big. And yeah. So once we dropped our behind the scenes NFT, our behind the scenes NFT is really our behind the scenes to like our music videos and other style content that we're doing. And then our main project here we're figuring out is gonna be some collectability with this 3D metaverse trading cards and the metaverse albums. So essentially we want to make it so that you're able to hold these Snapchat, VR, we're working on all those kinds of things. Then we're going to have our trading cards for each one of our artists. Really giving them an opportunity to be invested in and take their music to the next level. That way we can pay for promotions, music videos, and all that kinds of things. This is really just an extension of our brand. We're about suicide awareness, helping the youth, empowering the youth with all the utilities. That's why we bring you guys tutorials like this, just trying to build community, help as much people as we can. And, we become the people that we needed when we were younger. So here we are, once again. You guys know the vibes. And so, yeah. Just tons of work, tons of groundwork. It's very important to utilize the Web 2 space in the transition to Web 3. TikToks, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, seeing tons of success on those platforms. Really enjoying how things are going. Super excited for the future. We don't want to make this security by offering royalties up front. It's just something more about the project. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, if there's anything I can help you guys with, this is just a quick update on my NFT project, just to get you guys caught up. We're going to be working on some roadmap stuff here coming soon. And then the video roadmap, once I get everything typed up and the art all professionally done, we're going to go over that. And yeah, we have tons of music videos coming out this week. We have, follow me on TikTok. We're definitely posting behind the scenes, before and afters on our edit. Really just documenting the journey and trying to bring as much value as we can. So yeah, follow Suicide Cub, follow the team. We just dropped a music video yesterday, and we're actually going to be dropping one tomorrow and this weekend. And then I'm going to be shooting another on Saturday. So a lot of things happening, big moves happening. Appreciate all you guys tuning in. Anybody that made it to the end, you know the vibes. Go on Twitter, comment your Ethereum address under the pinned tweet, and yeah, I'll know to get to you from this video. I appreciate y'all. Peace.